Hey guys, so I'm back with another YouTube video today. It's your boy Joker 60 once again. So I took a sell position on USDJPY. It's sell position due to a breakout to the downside, which is this zone was broken out, and before the zone was broken out, if you notice well, we had a candlestick pattern, which is also another block, which is called the engulfing bar, which is this engulfing bar. So the price has retraced back into that zone, and the first thing I got was kind of cool rejection to the side. So after the rejection, I got a break right here, and now the price has gotten back to the zone. And on my 4 hours, if you notice, I got another engulfing, a bearish engulfing bar, and the market has retraced back into it. So on my 1 hour, I got this, not 1 hour, 15 minutes, I got this higher high, then a lower low, which means the previous low was broken. So after the previous low was broken, which we call a break of market structure to the downside, the price retraced back into the other block, which is this engulfing. So I missed the initial entry, but I entered after the price has given me another kind of pattern. I don't know where I got the pattern from, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, this pattern, which is this drop, then a base and a drop. So now I hope the price goes more deeper, because I'm going to like swing this trade. I'm going to hold this trade for a long time. So hey guys, so the price has moved down as I have expected, so I'll be locking some profit and leaving the rest to go more deeper to the downside. So right now I'll be setting my stop loss. I'll be setting my stop loss at this zone. So let's wait and see what the price does. Hey guys, so the reason why I closed my USDJPY sell was that at this zone, the price came to this zone and it gave me some kind of rejection, and with this I've not gotten any confirmation that the price is going to go more deeper. So to avoid unnecessary losses, I have closed the sell trade. So before taking any more trade, I'm going to wait for the price to break out, so then I'll look for more entries to enter. So right now I can't say if the price is going to sell more deeper or go higher, so I'll just wait for the price to give me a breakout right here. If I'm going to sell, I'll wait for the price to give me a breakout right here. So after the breakout, I will sell on the retracement, then we hope the price goes more deeper. But if it doesn't, it's going to break this zone right here, then give me a retracement, then go more higher.